Essential tips for a successful Canadian study visa application. 1. Apply to a designated learning institution (DLE). Ensure the institution you're applying to is recognized by the Canadian government. Only a DLE offers valid acceptance letters for visa applications. 2. Meet academic and language requirements. Undergraduate, IELTS 6.0 no band less than 6.0. Postgraduate, IELTS 6.5 no band less than 6.0. Academic records should be at least 60% for better chances. 3. Financial proof is key. You must show proof of funds, including Guaranteed Investment Certificate (GIC) of CAD 20,635 for living expenses, tuition fee payment receipt for 1 year. 4. Complete medical examination. An upfront medical exam is required before submitting your visa application. It ensures you are medically fit to study in Canada. 5. Submit a strong SOP. Your statement of purpose SOP should clearly outline why you want to study in Canada and your future plans. A strong SOP can significantly improve your chances of visa approval. 6. Be prepared for biometrics. After applying, you'll receive a biometrics instruction letter. Complete this step promptly to avoid delays in processing. 7. Apply early. Visa processing can take time, so apply well in advance to avoid last-minute issues. 8. Proof of TIs to home country. Show strong TIs to your home country, such as family, property, or job prospects, to prove you intend to return after your studies. Ready to start your study abroad journey? Mene Overseas is here to guide you through every step of the visa application process. With expert advice, personalized support, and partnerships with top Canadian universities, we'll help you achieve your dreams. Contact us now to start your visa journey today. Let's unlock your future in Canada together.